Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color Everest from Paw Patrol so easy. Let's start drawing. Start with her eyes, then her eyelashes and eyebrow. Draw her nose, then draw her smiling mouth. I draw her face. Then draw her hat. She is wearing a beanie. Draw her two ears. Draw a necklace with the rescue team badge. Next, I draw her clothes. She is wearing a winter outfit. Draw her legs. On her back, I draw a rescue backpack. Draw her tail. Now, let's color together. First, I used yellow and dark green to paint her hat. Then, I used light purple to paint a part of her face, part of her legs, and part of her tail. Next, I paint her clothes dark green and orange. I use blue and gray to paint her badge. Gray. eyes, I used dark green. Finally, I used black marker to make this beautiful picture more visible. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.